Today we are right here in Salina, Texas, in one of the big master plan communities called Mosaic. We're gonna get into this house right behind me. This is the Lucca, which is a brand new floor plan by Highland. You could build this thing in 11 different communities right here in the DFW area. And I'm excited to show you this thing. This is just the specs on it. It's 5 bedrooms. It's 5 full baths and 3 half baths. And this thing is ready now and priced to go. Check this out, guys. This is kind of your green space all inside the community. I wouldn't say that that's a Highland home. That doesn't scream Highland to me, but I really love the contemporary look to it. I like the color combo and I love the architectural details on this thing.
Yeah, and I like that it has this little front porch area, so you could actually come sit right here
and enjoy that
view. I think that's really nice.
Yeah, I will take it.
I can't wait to see the inside of this house, though.
All right, double door entryway.
Oh, it's very nice. Wow, look at that ceiling up there.
Oh, that is nice.
This is beautiful.
It's so high. You know,
It's
those are like
very
30-foot ceilings. Yeah, I like the curved staircase.
Yes.
You know, and then right off to the left of the home, you've got your office. It's got these built-ins with these floating shelves, white on white, which is kind of nice. It's got double glass doors, big windows, and then something very unique is this spot.
Oh, that is unique.
Yeah, so it could be either like you and I. This would be perfect.
It would
right?
be perfect because I could sit in there and edit while you're doing your thing out here.
Yeah, or vice versa, because you're a little more cleaner than I am. But this would be perfect for like the whiteboards and that's where it's stuff that you don't want
I do like
everybody
that.
to see.
That's really an interesting thing that they've done. I've never seen that before, so
Yeah.
I like that idea.
No, I like it too. All right, let's go through the rest and see what these guys have to offer. Now, I mentioned that it's in 11 different communities, and we'll put all the details down below. I'll put all the different communities that you can buy or purchase and build this home in. But like I said, this one is ready now here. It's a smaller.
It is. And those are
It's a smaller
blue cabinets, so hopefully you like blue. It's kind of cute though in a laundry room to have a
Yeah,
color.
you could go crazy right here.
Yeah.
No one's.
And then there's the garage door right there, so that comes on into here.
Now you do have a 3-car split garage. You've got a powder bath right here, and then you've got a closet, like
Another
a storage
one that goes
closet.
around, that's good. And then let me see this powder bath. Nice, and then a little bit of a linen. And then look, we didn't even show that they have tray ceilings up through here.
Yeah, no, this is.
You can add
nice.
some really cool light fixtures throughout here too if you wanted.
Here's the media room. Now this is set up to have your TV right here. Probably fit like a good 85-inch TV.
Nice.
Then, you know, obviously have your chairs set up. It's not crazy big. The space in this 4,500 square foot house is in other areas, but
Big enough.
Yeah, good enough. Look at this. Now, we've seen a lot of different floor plans from a lot of our favorite builders. Toll Brothers has something similar. Southgate has something similar.
They do.
Really love this design. Has the beams. Highland does it right though.
Two
right?
sliders.
I mean, it's just overly big. I mean, this is like twice the size of the Toll Brothers one that I'm thinking of, as well as the Southgate.
Southgate,
It's just wider and longer.
And they have your Highland hutch.
They've got the Highland
Toll
hutch.
Brothers doesn't have that, and Southgate doesn't have that.
Exactly. I mean, come on.
Oh wow, they took the tile all the way up too.
Yeah,
That's
it's
beautiful.
that marble tile all the way up. You got the floating shelves on one side. You've got 2 big 9-foot sliders
With more windows above that.
with
This is
more
great.
windows above that. You've got a 4-butt island. I like this contrast. I like this white on with the wood. I'm just so much more conservative when it comes to design. You know, I'm not as brave as some.
Yeah, but it's got double ovens. I love that they did the cabinets and they added the lights in there even.
Yeah, this is just, I mean, what's not to love? You got your drawers underneath, your 5-burner Frigidaire Professional Series appliance package. And it comes down here. This almost looks old school, but yet contemporary at the same time. I would much rather see this drawer eliminated and put like a wine fridge or something there, or a beverage fridge. Maybe that's what we would do.
Yeah, you could still do that. It's not a problem. But I do like that they added some shelves there too to kind of break it up.
Yeah.
But this is a really nice space.
It is a really nice space.
With everything being so light and with all the windows, it's just so bright and light and bright in here. It's very nice.
Yeah, we don't even have the lights on there. I just noticed.
Oh yeah, we don't.
We don't even have the lights on there. That's how bright this thing is. All right, let's go over here. You've got a Costco approved snack closet. And then here is your secondary bedroom downstairs. So this would be perfect for those guests. You've got a shower, no tub, ensuite with a walk-in closet inside. I'll just make sure that light's on for you guys.
And tile all the way to the top. Pretty. It's a pretty bathroom.
Yeah. Guests would be pretty happy in there.
Good sized closet
I would
too.
think. I would be happy in there.
I like the location of it too.
Yeah, that's really nice. It's completely separate from the primary. Now, speaking of this primary, you've got the same kind of access door to your backyard from that area.
Oh my goodness, it's a huge patio.
Look, we don't even have the lights on in here. Look, it has so many puck lights, but this is patio Patrice. Please, this is what I'm talking about. Are you kidding me? Put the electric screens down. I'm like losing my mind here.
Yeah.
The backyard's not overly deep, but you know, it's deep enough.
Put a pool here with no problem.
Yeah, you know what you could do is put in like one of those lap pools, you know, just because you already have a half bath right here.
Yeah, that's super nice.
So it's got a pool bath.
Very nice, okay.
And then should we go just on
Yeah.
this?
Might
And
as
lock
well.
this up.
All right, we'll just go right through here. And then we go into the primary.
If you guys are building, this is a bump out. I highly recommend it, right? This is just added square footage to your house, but it's not that. It's when you have furniture in these houses, this is just opens everything up. It just makes everything better. Also, generally speaking, when you bump this stuff out, it's not only this, you kind of extend the patio, you extend some other areas on the back end of
Usually
the
the
home.
dining room and the patio, yeah.
Exactly, so
Yeah.
you get a lot more bang for your buck. Now, let's go into this ensuite. You've got dual sinks and then separated by the vanity.
Beautiful.
Got a nice soaking tub and one of my favorite,
Car wash.
car wash shower.
This is really nice, and they put the doors on. Now,
Yeah.
I like the gold. We have clients that do not like the gold at all, but I think it's very pretty in here.
Yes, and then you've got a huge niche back here
Let me see.
for all of the shampoos and
Oh.
body soaps and
You're not
all that
kidding.
good stuff. So
That is a big niche. Now we gotta see. I have a feeling. Oh, there's linen. You're blocking me from the closet, aren't
yes,
you?
I am. Patrice, again, look how nice it looks empty. You could put all your baseball hats and
There
showcase those
is
things.
no way I could fill those up.
There you go. That's what I like to hear. You've got all these metal rods I like. Okay, you've got the thing for your gowns and dresses and all that
Long
good stuff.
coats. Yeah.
So,
Plenty
I
of
think
space.
I think that's pretty much downstairs.
I think
No?
so too.
All right.
Yeah.
Well, that means one thing. We're going up.
Stairs. Okay.
We're
let's
going
go.
up.
All right.
Oh wow, they carried the hardwood all the way through, even up here.
Yeah. That is so nice.
Now, I'm kind of conflicted when it comes to that.
The hardwood?
It's a great to look at, but it's noisy. It's just something that you need to keep in mind.
Yeah, but I think if you put, some throw rugs down, it probably takes some of that sound out.
So here you go, but this game area itself is huge. mean, you could put a pool table and like a foosball or whatever you wanted to do. And then you've got this bar area. So you got, no one wants to be going downstairs to get their Cokes or beers.
Yeah.
It's all right here.
Got snacks you could put in baskets and stuff. I like that.
And this tile is very unique. Patrice and I thought it was
Pegboard.
Yeah, we thought it was the pegboard, but it's not, it's tile. So very interesting. All right, so where should we go? Let's go over here. You've got a nice linen closet or game closet. And then you've got walk-in closet on this side, bathroom here, and then here's your room, which is decently sized.
These nice big windows in here.
Yeah, big windows,
Tall
high ceilings.
And then you've got this bathroom. It's super nice to have a window too in the bathroom.
Is that like a...
and if you want to look out and have the view, that's pretty nice too.
Is that attic space right there? What is that?
No, that's a linen closet.
Oh.
Yeah, so it has its own linen closet. Here's the bathtub. And then they took the tile all the way up.
Very cool.
And then I'll sneak over really fast and there you go. There it is.
Very nice.
Mm-hmm.
You're gonna get a closer look at that detail right here.
Yeah, it's very nice.
Let's go over here. What is over here?
I do like that all these bedrooms are like
They're separate.
completely separate. It's a good thing, I think.
You got another linen closet. Yeah, all three are upstairs. Are all five really are separate, but
This is another nice room, just like the other
another
one.
nice room. It feels a little smaller.
They did the blue cabinets in here also.
You've got the tub, shower combo, and then you've got a walk-in closet in there as well.
Pretty. And then we go across here to bedroom number 3.
Yeah, it's just completely separate. This
Oh,
really
this has a powder bath, which is really nice for the
guests.
guests that are out there playing games with you. And then, oh, that's a good size walk-in closet right there.
Yeah, and then the bathroom, you've got the tub, shower combo. They're good size too. They're not like crammed in.
Yeah, you have plenty of space. And then this is a good size
Ooh,
room.
this room is really
got a
oversized. It's oversized
fun
by
little-
like good 3 feet or so. So
We've got a fun little corner there that they've got.
nice. So guys, there you have it. The Lucca. What do you guys think? Drop us a comment below. Let us know what you guys think about this. If you are in the market for a 5-bedroom home, Mosaic is one of the communities that you can build this wonderful floor plan in. There's 10 other communities that you can on top of that. But if you like this particular house, this house is priced at 1.28. So pretty good value for a 4,500 square foot house in one of the top neighborhoods in all of North Texas. It's got a lot to offer. So if you have any real estate plans in 2026, make sure you hit that dream home form. If you do, understand that Patrice and I are going to be reaching out to you. So only do it once you're ready and you want our help. We love working with each and every one of you. And we do videos like this every single day at 5 p.m. Central Time. So hit that subscribe button, that bell so you're alerted every time we do a video. And until the next time, I'm Andy.
And I'm Patrice.
Take care.